Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you please help me to grow my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and also give me a big thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate. And if you like to be friends and connect each other, just leave the comment below so I can come back of your channel. So guys, into this video I have whole video. I came back to the outlet in our area and I seen a few items that I like. It's like I mentioned that I'm gonna go back and get a few items that I wanna bring back to the Philippines. So without further ado, let's get started. Now let's start with Lacoste. So Lacoste is having on sale, and to be honest with you, it's not all the time like Lacoste is having a good deal or something like that, especially in outlet. We were in the UK, guys. We always have a good deal every time we go to the outlet in UK. But I guess it's different in here that there's, so that's why sitting, maybe that's why. And you don't see that much all the time. Well, they're still having like 40% off, but the price is still, kind of high for me. So I bought two items in there. So I see that one over here. This is a really like a loose t-shirt, and even though this is small, and yeah, this is like a small, this is the classic fit actually. Look how big it is. It said size 3 is their small size, but for me it's still, I like wearing a loose shirt, to be honest with you, especially during summertime. I don't want to wear too tight when it's too hot, and right now it's kind of hot actually. It feels like it doesn't do in the spring yet. Last year it was cold around this time, but this year they jump into the summer. So that's the one. And also I got this color. I love the color, that's why I got this one. So this is a size 38. They don't have a size 36, and hopefully it doesn't too big around here, but it's okay. I can deal with it. In the summertime it's really hot, so it's kind of wide in the bottom. As you can see, it's not that too wide, but it's a little bit big. Like I mentioned, I always say that during summertime I don't wear too tight. I want something loose, especially when you're going out. And I will do last for the coach. And the second item that we went into is this one. We went to different stores actually, but never things I like. And so since I'm going to the Philippines, I always bring something to my family and friends to give a little something. So I stop and get this one. It's really cute, and this is for my niece actually, because she's 7 years old. And look at that, guys, it's so cute. I thought there's boys, but I asked the lady if this is a boys or a girls. She said it's a girls. I guess it's unisex. And the color is nice, that's why it's actually sold me out for that, is the color. And another for my niece, and hopefully this is fit on here, and it's nice. This is 14 to 16. It's quite big actually, it's big on me, but hopefully that it fits on her. And I love the Ralph Lauren logo, and it's a simple polo, and it has that slit on the side. I'm not sure if the other one has a slit to it. Oh yeah, it does have a slit as well, so probably that's the girl. And for the boys, for my nephew, I got this one over here. So this is like a yellow extra large, and because he's like 18 years old, but it looks too big. This is 18-20, so it can go grown. So that's why I got that one, because he will grow anyway. I also get this one as well as the green color. And this is large. The other one is extra large. So that's one. I like this one because it has the logo is red. It's kind of cute. Well, Ralph Lauren actually is known for like really simple polo shirt. And the last thing that I got for my niece is this one over here because she like white pants. And this is size 12. I love this so much. I'm actually looking this for myself, size 16, but this is the biggest one they have. And because they had pocket on the side, and it's white pants. This is girls, kids nowadays, they like white. And this one is stretched. Hopefully it fits on her. She's 11 and this is size 12. And she's kind of tall. She's tall for her age actually. That's why I was concerned about that. But I have a niece like 7 years old. So if she doesn't fit on that, she can give it to her and set aside so she can wear that. Yeah, the next thing is doing Coach again. As I mentioned to the other first video of a Coach that I'm gonna come back for this one, which is I did, and I get a few colors because my sister want this and that. So I got another denim over here. So one for my friends and one for my sister. And my niece actually just asking me if you give me this color. This is a white and they have CC. It's very plain, and the other one is this. It's a white but it's a beige color. That's one over here. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna put names so I don't confuse which one's which. Also, I always ask my friends if they want me something to buy for them so I can carry, because I don't go home. This is my first time actually going back to the Philippines here in the States, flying from the States. Normally, I always go in the UK because we were there in the UK, so, of course. So, yeah, it's been like, what, 4 years since I did not come back. So, we moved in here 2023. And last time I came to the Philippines was around this time, like May, I think. May 2022. So no, April 2022, around that time. And it's next month, the end of the month, I'm flying to the Philippines. I'm gonna stay there for a month. So it's about time. It's like a 4 years. So let's say 22, 24, 5, 6, 4 years I did not go back to the Philippines. It's not so long. Time so fly, man. It's so quick. And yeah, that's pretty much my whole video today. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please help me grow to my channel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.